Next, we are looking at the stem and leaf plot. This is a way of displaying a grouped frequency distribution. The stem is the first column and represents the tens digit. The leaf is the second column and represents the ones digit. A class of 40 students take an English exam. Their scores are as follows. Construct a grouped frequency distribution for the data. And they want us to group the data by the 40s, 50s, and etc. And as you can see, I've already done that. So if you want to pause the video and copy this down, you can do that now. Number 6 says, construct a stem and leaf plot for the data. So our stem and leaf plot is going to have two columns, and it's going to look like this. And for the stem column, we want to put the tens place for our data. And because we have 40s through 90s, it's going to be 4 through 9. So let's look at the 4 first. So if we look at the data, we have 3 values in the 40s. So we do need to put these 3 values in order in our stem and leaf plot. So the 43 is going to be a 3 here, the 45 is a 5, and the 47 is a 7. So a stem and leaf plot is a more compact way to group data. So this stem of 4 with leaves of 3, 5, and 7, this is a shorthand way of writing 43, 45, and 47. Next, we want to look at the 50s, and we have 6 values in the 50s, and in order that would be 50, 54, 56, we have 2 57s, and then we have 1 59. So that's going to be 0, 4, 6, 7, 7, and 9. So now we just need to repeat this process for 6, 7, 8, and 9. And this is what our final answer will look like.